Hello friends, good morning to all. I welcome all to your favorite channel Krishna sir. In this video we will discuss about the big vacancy released by Railway Recruitment Board, and it is for the year 2022. There is a large number of vacancy, and the vacancy is near about 3000. So at first we will discuss what is the minimum eligibility criteria apply for this post. Okay, here your minimum eligibility criteria is candidate must have passed class 10 examination or its equivalent under 10 plus 2 examination system with minimum 50% marks in aggregate. Okay, if you have completed matriculation, that is class 10 under 10 plus 2 system with minimum 50% marks in aggregate, then you are eligible for this post. Okay, so only class 10 is required to apply for this post. Okay, next we will go for what are the next updates. Here the railway recruitment cell RSC Eastern Railway has invited online applications from eligible candidates for apprenticeship in several trades. That means there are vacancies of several trades. Okay, and the job location will be here Howrah, Lilua, Silda, Malda, Asansol, then Kancherapara, Jamalpur, etc. So your job location will be at the various places of India. Okay, now we will discuss in the context of vacancy. Fitter 115 post, welder 25 post, match 4 post, match DSL 6 post, then that is match means actually mechanical. Okay, machinist 4 post, carpenter 2, painter 5, lineman 5, wireman 3. Okay, next go for next updates. Ref and SC mechanics 8 post, then electrician 89 post, mechanic machine tool man 2 post, Lilwa workshop fitter 240, machinist 33, turner 18 post, welder 204. Okay, next turner 18, welder 204, painter general 15 post, electrician 45 post, wireman 45 post, then refrigeration and air conditioning 15 post. Okay, then we will go for the vacancies in the Salda division. Electrician fitter 34, welder 22, electrician 10, FCO 7, wireman 3, oil engine driver 4 post, then oil engine driver SC 7 post, then lineman 1, AC fitter 13 post, mechanical fitter 112, electrician 10, DSL fitter 10, electronics mechanic 75, refrigerator and AC 35, mechanical fitter 114. Okay, then here electrician 10, DSL fitter 10, then welder 13, carpenter 7, fitter 10, 32 for blacksmith, then painter 10 post. Then we will go for Kancherapara workshop fitter 60. Okay, and then welder 35, electrician 66, machinist 6, wireman 3, carpenter 8, then painter 9. Okay, Then we'll go for Malda division. Here electrician 40 post, refrigerator and AC conditioner here 6 posts. Okay, then fitter 47, welder 3, painter 2, carpenter 2, mechanical design 38. Okay, then Asansol division. Here fitter 151, then welder 96, electrician 110, mechanical diesel 41. Then go for Jamalpur workshop. Fitter 251, welder 218, machinist 47. Then here turner 47, electrician 42, diesel mechanic 62. Okay, here your eligibility criteria I have said before, and I also informing you again. Your minimum eligibility criteria is only 10th pass with minimum 50% marks. Okay, got it? Actually, if you have the ITI, okay, if you have ITI certificate or ITI degree, then you will be preferable for this program. Age limit is the very important factor of the job. Candidate should have completed 15 years of age and not aged more than 24 years of age. Okay, here selection of a candidate for training slot of a unit in Eastern Railway will be on the basis of merit prepared in respect of all eligible candidates who apply against the notification. Okay, actually here the process of selection will be on the basis of merit. Okay, and the merit list will be prepared by the Railway Recruitment Board. Okay, Railway Recruitment Cell. Then if we talk about the application fee, then the application fees will be non-refundable. Okay, it's 100 for candidates of general and OBC category, and if you belong to SC, ST, PWBD, then women, then you are exempted from application fee. That means you have to pay no fee to apply for this application. Okay, so I request all of you to apply for this post. How to apply? You have to first visit RRCER Kolkata website, RRCER or ER Kolkata. Then fill the relevant information. You have to fill relevant information. Then upload scanned photograph, signature and other documents. Then step 4, pay application fee through online mode. Okay, take a printout of the application for future reference. Okay, then dates to remember, it's very important. Please listen the dates carefully. Date of publication of notification on website March 29, 2022, and opening date and time of online application April 11, 2022. That means you can apply online from April 11, 2022. Okay, I am informing you again. April 11, that's 11th of April 2022 will be the first date to apply for this apprenticeship program, and then closing date, that means last date of online application will be May 10, 2022. Okay. So I think you got all the idea about this job, and your doubt may have cleared or might have cleared. So I request you who visit the channel for first time, then please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to receive the latest government job notification and education related news from this channel. And please like the video and share this video with your friends to get or to make informed them. Okay, thank you for watching the video till end. Thank you.